Hello, this is Jacovitz Learning. This video is for people who are trying to learn phonics, cognates, and also they also call them, and also just learn basic pronunciation techniques. Okay, here's fog here. So we've got some fog going on over here. Here's a dog. Here's a hog. So, can you see the hog? I'm going to use hog first. In the fog. He is next to the dog. So if you chose dog here, D-O-G, you had to choose hog here, H-O-G. It doesn't matter which order, just as long as you had one or the other. But these sounds are cog, dog, fog, hog, jog, log. It is foggy outside because there is fog. Fog, F-O-G, fog is a noun. And you have foggy, foggy bottom. And we'll go over this in another lesson, how you NGY over here. Then you read again, do you see the fog? The runner likes to jog. J-O-G. So just like jump, jog, jog. Did you see the runner jog before you saw the dog? The dog bit the hog, hopefully not, but this is just a sentence. The runner ran into, this is a log, L-O-G. Let's go over these words before we close. This is cog, C-O-G. There's a cog in the wheel, something that causes us not to work. We know what a dog is. We went over fog. We know what a frog is. This is a hog, jog, and that's a log. It's part of some wood. Okay, people call them logs so they can use them to make a fire. And as we move out, close out right now, get the eraser here, as we close out right now, there should be no hard feelings anymore with how we do and pronounce these words. This is like wood. It's a wooden log. They use them, you hear the word log cabin. They use them to make fires, make paper. Mostly up north they're used to make a fire. Okay, so it has been a good time. Thank you for watching.